Welcome to the Signet Protocol demo. We're excited to showcase our solution for digital media authentication, which utilizes the power of the Gemini Live API as a live digital notary. We've integrated with Google Cloud for processing and storage, meeting all hackathon requirements with a secure and transparent system. Let's dive into the specifics. Stage 1, Sovereign Identity and Verification. This is the foundational step where every user establishes their unique digital identity. We ensure secure binding of public and private keys, critical for authenticating future signatures and interactions in the system. This stage is crucial for establishing trust in the network. I'll wait for your prompt when ready to proceed to the next stage. Welcome to Stage 2, Universal Media Signing. Here, we demonstrate how our system injects a C2PA compliant manifest directly into the asset's jump-off boxes. This ensures compatibility with industry standards. Crucially, you can see the org.signetai.vpr assertion, which houses our proprietary visual provenance record, storing vital data about the asset's origin. This step is key for establishing verifiable provenance. Welcome to Stage 3, Public Ledger Verification. Here, we perform a crucial check, verifying the digital signature against our distributed ledger. This verification is key for proof of existence, ensuring the asset hasn't been backdated or re-signed since its initial stamping. It provides an immutable record of when and who authenticated the media. I'll wait for your prompt when ready to proceed to the next stage. Welcome to Stage 4, Image Forensic Diff Analysis. Here, our Trident engine performs a deterministic pixel-perfect diff analysis on static images. It meticulously maps any deviations against the original asset, highlighting even the subtlest signs of deepfakes or synthetic alterations. The SSIM map provides a visual representation of structural insimilarity, while the score aggregates key metrics to give a single, objective assessment of the asset's authenticity. This step is critical for detecting fraudulent media. I'll wait for your prompt when ready to proceed to the next stage. Welcome to Stage 5, Video Authenticity Verification. For video, our Trident engine performs a temporal analysis, examining each frame meticulously. This allows us to detect any inconsistencies that could indicate deepfakes, spliced media, or other temporal alterations. We analyze changes in individual frames, as well as the flow of the motion between them, providing a comprehensive assessment of the video's authenticity. This step is key for verifying dynamic media. I'll wait for your prompt when ready to proceed to the next stage. We have shown how Signet Protocol, using the power of the Gemini API, provides a comprehensive solution for digital media authentication. From sovereign identity to video forensics, Signet is ready for integration today, bringing transparency back to the digital world. Thank you for your time. We look forward to your questions and discussions.